How to withdraw money from Scatter to Gcash. Now in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest method for you to withdraw the fund that you have from Scatter into your Gcash account. Now to start with, open up your Gcash application by logging in using your 4-digit PIN, and it's going to be case-to-case basis. So say for example, you're playing the game inside Gcash via the Explore app, tap View All, and then if you scroll down under the Enjoy field, if you play the game under this option here that says play, specifically on any type of scatter, now you should be able to withdraw instantly directly from your Gcash account. That is if your Gcash account is fully verified by using any identifications available on your end. You just need to go into profile and then just simply verify your account first so that you can easily withdraw any funds that you have from the game. And that's it. And that's how you withdraw money from Scatter to Gcash.